What? Good morning, my New Yorkers. I'm here at Resorts in Atlantic City, and I had a wonderful night's sleep, and now it's time for a hearty breakfast at Breadsticks, their cafe downstairs. What's that you say? You want to join me? Sure, come on, let's go together. I hear the place has a great view. Let's check it out. So I slept like a baby last night, and I woke up hungry, and I'm dying for that first cup of black coffee, and I got a lot to do today, so I think I'm gonna have a nice hearty breakfast downstairs at Breadsticks. Breadsticks is on the second level. It's right next to Capriccio, as well as across from Doherty's Steakhouse and Law Bar. But I think I have to go all the way down to the first level and then take some escalators up to the second level. I'm not sure about that, but what is it? Just a couple seconds out of my life? No big whoop. So now we're gonna head up one flight at Resorts here to where the theater and ballrooms are, as well as some of the best restaurants in Atlantic City, Doherty's Steakhouse and Law Bar, Breadsticks, which is where we're heading, and Capriccio, which has been voted one of the best casino restaurants in the nation. Hold on tight. This place has some really good views, and given the choice between a good restaurant view and a good window view, when it comes to these videos, I'm always going to go for the restaurant view because you guys want to see the restaurant. If I'm eating with friends or whatever and I'm not videotaping, then I always go for the best window view. By the way, if you hang out with me, and I hope you will, after our breakfast, we'll head down to the beach and check out the ocean. The breakfast menu here is standard fare, lots of egg dishes, and they also have a lox platter. As you guys know, I don't eat eggs, so my choices are pancakes, a Belgian waffle, or the signature French toast. The French toast is made with cinnamon swirl bread, and that's what I decided to go with. One thing I've noticed over the years as a non-egg eater is these breakfast menus, when you order eggs, you always get like a side of bacon or some hash browns or something. When you order French toast or a waffle or pancakes, you get nothing. If you want a couple strawberries thrown on top, it's extra. And if you want some meat, well, that's going to be a lot extra. But when you order eggs, it's not. I never understood that. By the way, if you hang out with me, and I hope you will, after our breakfast, we'll head down to the beach and check out the ocean. And of course, Breadsticks has a lunch menu, which the appetizers include buffalo wings, a appetizer sampler, which is a couple of their appetizers mixed together. And one of them includes a cheesesteak dumplings, which sounds really good. They also have some soups and some great salad selections, as well as different types of burgers. Other sandwiches include a cheesesteak sub, tuna melt, there's a turkey club, a breadsticks patty melt. I haven't had a patty melt in years. I enjoy patty melts. There's a soup and salad combo. And as far as entrees, they have pan-seared salmon, fried shrimp, a classic meatloaf platter, roasted chicken, chicken parmesan, a turkey dinner, a New York sirloin plate, and a filet plate as well. And if you're hoping for a nice cocktail for breakfast, no need to worry, although your friends and family might. There's a nice menu for that as well, and as far as I'm concerned, a nice Bloody Mary in the morning never hurt anybody. And here we have my breakfast. It came out pretty quickly. Some cinnamon swirl French toast. I got my breakfast sausage for some freshly squozen orange juice and my black coffee. So you guys know if I'd find anything wrong, I'd let you know. And I have to tell you, everything here was spot on at Breadsticks at Resorts. Everything was hot, it was fresh. The French toast, the cinnamon swirl French toast was bursting with flavor. The sausage wasn't overcooked as it usually is. It usually sits there on the grill for a long time. This did not. It was very juicy and flavorful. The orange juice was freshly squozen and the coffee kept coming. The service here was fantastic as well. My hearty breakfast came in at under $25, and considering I'm at a resort, that's a pretty good price for what I had to eat. Now I'm thinking we head out to the beach and check out what this glorious morning looks like from the sand. By the way, I happen to love this background music, and I think if the entire world woke up to it, the world would be a more happier, peaceful place. There's no musical instruments here, it's just very happy human voices. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. I gotta tell you guys, there's nothing like starting and ending a day on the beach. This, by the way, was early winter in Atlantic City. Just like Las Vegas gets its really cold spells every once in a while, Atlantic City gets its warm spells once in a while as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.